Wow, that's the first time I've actually seen one of these work. And now I will go back to not having diarrhea. And now I'm going to find something to dig up so I can eat it and get diarrhea. Boy, say what? No, you're leaving. I need my diarrhea back. Goodbye. I'm just gonna go. I'm gonna spin around and probably hit that tree. Oh, nope. I'm picking up some more dirt for some reason. Oh, wow. This is like the Omega version of having those shovels and using a sandbox. The Omega. The ultimate. The ultimate cat.